Full stack or specialized technology? Are you confused about hiring full stack or dedicated technology developer for your next project? In this video, we are going to talk about the types of developers you should hire in terms of technology and explain you about full stack developers and a dedicated technology developer. So before getting deep into this, let me tell you the brief about both of them. So let me start by introducing full stack developers. They are often referred to as jack of all trades as they are expert in both front end as well as back end, whereas specialized developers are having expertise in either of them, either front end or back end. So now let's talk about the benefits of hiring both. So I'll start with the benefits if you are hiring full stack developers. First, dependency. You can completely rely on them as they are having expertise in both front end as well as back end. Second, cost effective. So when you are a startup and if you are having an application which has less features, then you can think of full stack developers as it is much more cost effective and it will also save your time. Third, more managed. It would be more managed when a single person is developing your project as he or she can find the bugs or errors they are getting in real time execution and it would be sorted so well as he knows where he did the mistakes and how you will be getting the errors and what would be the solutions to it. So let's talk about the benefits when you're hiring specialized developers. As I already said, that they are having expertise in either of them, front end or back end. So when you have a dedicated person who will be focusing on any single module, you will get more efficient result. As it is said that everyone can't be expert in all the things. So when you're having big applications and you're having more features, prefer hiring specialized developers. They are really easy to hire as they are having in-depth knowledge of the language they choose. And also, it would be easier for you to analyze their skills. As we know that best work comes with bit higher cost. So do specialized developers have higher cost compared to full stack developers. But ultimately, it will deliver you a best solution as they have ability to solve your problem in no time. However, a coin has two sides. So if you're hiring specialized developer, it might cost you more, but you'll get a finest solution. Whereas if you're a startup and you're having an application which has less features, then you can also think of full stack developers. I'm sure till now you must have sorted out the best option for you. And if you're still in confusion to which developer you should hire for your next project, then do get in touch with us at sales@ibixo.com and our analysis team will get the best solution for you and will say which developers you should hire for your upcoming project. You can share your idea on the link given in the description below. Prefer subscribing our channel for more such videos. I'm Niyati signing off from Ibiixo Studios. Stay healthy, stay safe. Bye bye.